Dito, ibig sabihin, walang diskriminasyon at pantay-pantay yung turingan ng Dabueño. Native ka man, Muslim o Christian ka, kahit majority Christian dito, minorities yung native at saka Muslim, but still, united as one kami as Dabueño. So this painting showcasing the unity in diversity of our city. Right? At least may idea na kayo. Okay, so you may start to the first people and end up in. Ako magpipicture sa inyo for your group photo.
So, ngayon guys, dito tayo sa Davao Wenyo Museum. Sa Davao, ito yung mga nila, indigenous, indigenous cultural communities in Davao. Indigenous cultural communities in Davao. Davao City has a tri-people identity, being home of the indigenous or Lumad communities, Moro peoples, and mostly Christian settlers. During the Dayawan Festival, the city honors 11 unique peoples. The 5 Lumad communities are the Atamalubo, Bagubo, Tagabanbawa, Klata Gihingan, Matig Salug, and Ubo Manubo. Alright. Yan. Ito yung Matigsalog tribe. Yan. Matigsalog tribe. Ito yung taga Banwa tribe.
Madayaw
Yun. Ng mga tribes. Bagubo, Klata tribe. Yan. Iranon tribe. Yun. Kagan tribe. Dito sa amin, meron dito. Maranao tribe. Yan. Sa Lanao. Samal tribe. Yan. Sama tribe. Doon sa Samal. Tapos Tausug tribe.
Muslim jap na.
Tausug. Maguindanao tribe. Now,
Manang Tausug sa Matagan.
the first peoples from 2500 BCE to 1847. Mga indigenous Maranao tribe. Naraw Islamized cultural communities in Davao. Number 6, the Moro communities. Yan. Ito, sino to? Ito pala si Dato Mama Bago. Yan. Dato Bago was the ruling chieftain of the Davao Gulf area in the first half of the 1800s. He was Maguindanao. He was Maguindanaon royal who had a Tausug mother. In 1848, yan siya. In 1848, Dato Bago heroically defended Davao against Spaniards. Nakipaglaban pa siya sa Spaniards. Expansion in a battle that lasted 3 months. Grabe. Matapang talaga ito si Dato Mama Bago. Dato Bago's wife was a Waituradan, meaning peerless, who was of Kagan Royal Prison. Yun. Ito naman si Don Jose Cruz Barria di Uyanggurin. Kaya pala mayroong Uyanggurin Street dito sa Davao. Spanish colonizer Don Jose Uyanggurin attacked Davao in 1848 to become gobernador of Davao region until 1852. Uyanggurin's forces consisted of settlers from Tandag, Surigao, people from Samal Island, and Bagubos. Their superior firepower crushed the resistance of Dato Bago. Sila napildi rin and his men near Trading Boulevard and around the Bangkiruhan area. Uyanggurin was from Guipuzcoa, Spain. Spaniard siya. Si Uyanggurin. Kaya pala may Uyanggurin. So, dito. Ah, ito yung Davao dati. Oh, Little Tokyo. Little Tokyo. Ang Davao. 1930 to 1940, the Japanese in Davao invested in abaca plantations. Ah, kaya pala may mga abaca. Maraming abaca dito. You know, dito nag-invest ang mga invested in abaca plantations themselves and established their own communities with schools, abaca processing plants, stores, hotels, hospital, and cinema, and a pier. Ah, kaya pala mayroong dito. Ito yung Little Tokyo. Sa Davao naman. Yan o. Sila, nag-invest sila dito ng mga abaca.
Ating gumagana po, sir.
Ah, okay. Ngayon, out of order na. Tapos, anong pangalan nito? Ito, Greg. Ito yung instrument na ni. Ha?
Please do not sit.
Ah,
Lag drum. Wall drum.
bang kakao. Ito pala guys ay bang kakao. Yan. Bang kakao. The bang kakao is made of body of tree called dangkalan or bitaog. Ooh! Music is played using long short sticks. Ito. Tapos, bagubo ata manubo and Matisalog communities dance to the rhythm of this flag. Oh, ito, tugtugin nila ito. Yan. Para magsayaw yung mga natin. The first people of Davao. Right? Okay. Ayun. Okay. Ito pala yung mama siguro ni Duterte, no? Rosamunda. Davao. Uy. Yun. Ito yung durian. Oh. Okay. Right? Ito na yung guys.
Basti.
Okay. Museo Davaoenyo. Alright?